It is another beautiful day for Kapampangan basketball as we bring you the continuing coverage of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities basketball. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia's born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta, as Andre Dungo of I Love San Simon trying to make a statement, being the mythical 5 of the recently held UAAP Juniors for UST Golden Tigers. At makakatapat niya dito, itong si Sam De Jesus and the rest of the Angeles City Red Warriors trying to continually dominant on this ball game at hand. I Love San Simon kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabala na nakatutok sa kani-kanilang mga tahanan. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Penelope Wilhelmina, para po sa laban ng I Love San Simon at Angeles City Red Warriors, our last day para sa ating eliminations round. But of course, pwede po nating tutukan itong ating Pampanga at ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO, at pwede nyo rin po i-subscribe at matutukan ang Delta Cup sa Sinag at sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga at Pampanga_PIO, at sa broadcast partner ng Delta Cup at Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. But first and foremost, the most important parts, tingnan natin kung nasa na ba sa team standings itong ang maglalaban na dalawang koponan ngayon. As you can see here, Angeles City Red Warriors on the top seed of Bracket A with 8 wins and 1 losses. Samantalang itong San Simon, as we can see here, na the rest of the Angeles City Red Warriors bench. So, tingnan natin kung sino ang magiging dominant for today's ball game. Or coming up is the battle between I Love San Simon kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. And to introduce our starting lineup, and I'm turning you over to Ram Valid.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans, and we're going to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. You can catch the live action also at Pampanga Public Information Office, every page, and YouTube channel. Our fourth game for today, it's the battle between I Love San Simon and your Angeles City Red Warriors. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your I Love San Simon. At forward number 7, John Santos. Also at forward number 31, Parley Dimla. Point guard number 19, Andre Dugo. Shooting guard number 13, Steven Angeles. And center number 18, Patrick Puntalard. Head coach for San Simon is Danny Torres. Assistant coaches Gian Vago, Ed Rem Dimla, Rich Bravo, Lawrence Mago, and Patrick Gambao. Your I Love San Simon. And now let's meet the starters for your Angeles City Red Warriors. Point guard number 6, Malik CJ2. Also at guard, number 11, Edward Timbol. Forward number 19, John De Guzman. Also at forward number 1, Jomery Naku. And center number 28, Paul Lagman. Head coach for Angeles City Red Warriors is John Ocampo. Assistant coaches Javier Cruz, Eric Malyari, and Earl Morales. Team manager Mr. Val Peña. Your Angeles City Red Warriors. Game official charge in action. Dennis Iscaros, John Lisigas, and Noel Vincero. This is your Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament.
For the starters of I Love San Simon, we have here Dungo, Angeles Santos, Dimla, and Punsalan. At para sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors, we have here Du, Timbol, Lagman, De Guzman, and Naku. This is the Penelope Wilhelmina at your service para sa laban ng I Love San Simon kontra Angeles City Red Warriors, our second to the last game of our eliminations round. As the first ball possession goes to San Simon, but there was a whistle after that 5 seconds of our ball game. Ang agang tawag para sa laban na to. And if you're here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, ang lamig po sa loob ng BREN Z. Timbol. Balik dito kay Timbol ang bola. Oh, miss pass for Edward Timbol. But they were able to put it back on their side. 3-point shot, no good. Nakuha yun dito ni Patrick Punzalan. Dungo, a recently held Mythical 5 member of the UAAP Juniors for UST Golden Tigers. Baby Cubs, rather. Tiger Cubs. Andre Dungo, pinasa dito ang bola. Still no good, no basket. Out of bounds. Ball stays at the offensive side. Angeles to Dungo. Dungo for 3. Dungo gets it to go. First basket of the ball game goes in care of Andre Dungo. Timbol. Balik dito ang bola sa Angeles. Oh, good steal for Andre Dungo. Dungo against 3. Nakuha dito ni Timbol ang bola. Timbol on the drive? No. Pinasa niya yun dito. And that jumper is good for John De Guzman. Angeles ang nagbababa dito ng bola. Angeles pinasa kay Santos. Santos balik kay Dungo. Dungo for another 3. No good this time for Andre Dungo. Jumper. Still no good. Off to the left. Nakuha dito ni Timbol. Timbol for 3. It's no good. It's too strong for Edward Timbol. Dimla. Angeles to Dimla. What a play from Angeles to Dimla. Kitang-kita niya doon na libre. Etong si Parley Dimla, of course. Etong I Love San Simon is jam-packed by the players na nanggaling, of course, kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, former champions. Steven Angeles was part of the Born 2001 Cup champions of our Sinag Liga Asia inaugural season. Kasama niya dito si Parley Dimla. Parley Dimla. 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining on our game clock. There is a whistle. Para dito kay Parley Dimla.
Foul on number 7. John Santos is first. First team foul, San
Ball possession for Angeles City Red Warriors with 16 on the shot clock. What a dominant move there for Jo Marinaku. Dungo nagbababa dito para sa San Simon. Dungo papunta dito kay Santos. Santos to Dimla. Sorry, miss for Santos. Edward Timbol. That is short for Edward Timbol. Dungo. Where will he go to? Oh, what a beautiful move from Andre Dungo. Papunta kay Patrick Punzalan. Dungo is an all-around guy as well as for way back sa team niya dito kay Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And of course, a lucky Coach Danny Torres for I Love San Simon for having Andre Dungo as I'm mentioning Andre Dungo has been an all-around guy for head coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda way back nung nandun pa siya, nung naglaro siya for Gov Delta for Pampanga. Sir De Guzman, sentrong matangkad. They have everything, both teams have everything they have to settle this win para sa parehong koponan. Andre Dungo, libreng-libre, but that is short for Andre Dungo. Tingnan natin dito, ano ang gagawin dito ng Angeles? Du. No good for Du, but there was a whistle. Against dito kay Azar Zalihan. 4 minutes and 47 seconds, 17 on the shot clock. 11-6 in favor of San Simon. 5 lang ang kalamangan dito ng I Love San Simon. As the first throw is good for Malik CJ Du. As 1 out of 2 for Malik Du. Steven Angeles ang nagbababa dito. Oh, good swipe dito para sa kay John De Guzman. Oh, nice pass mula dito kay Malik Du, pero hindi niya naagaw yun dun ni Andre Dungo Is that an easy basket for Punzalan. That reverse layup for Patrick Punzalan. 13-7. 6-point advantage. 3-point shot for Malik Du. That is short. Kay Dimla ang bola. Balik kay Steven Angeles. Steven passes. Jumper. It's good. Para kay Patrick Punzalan. A back-to-back 2-point shot for Patrick Punzalan. 15-7. 3 minutes and 55 seconds with 17 seconds on the shot clock. Edward Timbol. Balik kay Du ang bola. Balik dito kay De Guzman. De Guzman to Du. What will Du? Anong gagawin dito ni Du? Naku for jumper. No good. Andre Dungo for the rebound. Dimla. Balik dito kay Punzalan ang bola. And Patrick Punzalan. Azar Zalihan rather. A 6-0 run. After that basket from Patrick Punzalan, let's take a look at pass of Andre Dungo to Dimla. Dimla being selfless and passes it to Azar Salihan, and Azar making the basket count. As Tamar on the floor, 3 minutes and 29 seconds. 10 ang kalamangan dito ng I Love San Simon, 17-7.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Kaya mga kasinag, again, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. As 3 Kapampangan teams, a former Luwid 1 Kapampangan player, Kid Estalilia for Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan, already signed and confirmed that they are joining our 23 under and 19 under division. Together with the Hustle Rising Suns head coach J.R. De La Cruz and of course Pampanga Delta to defend their crown. Together with head coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, the man behind the Delta Cup 2023 to 2024, as that jumper is good for Andre Dungo, a former player for coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. 19-7, 2-point lead advantage, 12-point lead advantage rather for I Love San Simon. 8 seconds on the shot clock, 2 minutes and 50 seconds on the game clock. Jumper, it's no good. Balik dito kay Andre Dungo ang bola. Andre, long pass. Nakuha dito sana ni Paula Quindanum. But it wasn't able to keep it on their hands. Tumiretso siya doon sa bench netong I Love San Simon. A baseline inbound. As a substitution on the floor, Sam De Jesus checks in. He will work here with VJ Rojas, Paula Quindanum, Kid Estalilia, and together, kasama nila dito si Henson. As Paula Quindanum Very unusual na siya nagdadala ng bola. Passes to BJ Rojas. BJ Rojas, no good on that downtown. Asparly Dimla. Dito ang bola kay Salihan. Salihan, balik kay Dungo. Asking for help. Dungo for 3. It's no good for Andre Dungo. His third missed 3-point shot of the ball game. 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Paula Quindanum to Kid Estalilia. What will Estalilia do? Pinasa nito kay Martinez. Balik dito kay Estalilia ang bola to VJ Rojas. Almost a miss for VJ Rojas. Balik kay Kid Estalilia ang bola. Estalilia. Wow, a nice pass and alley-oop pass for Sam De Jesus, but Sam was not able to put it on basket. Pero madalas nating nakikita yung mga ganong play from Kid Estalilia to Sam De Jesus. Andre Dungo against 3. Jumper, one-hand shot. It's good for Andre Dungo. Andre Dungo showing and proving every Kabayan that is watching why he is crowned as one of the mythical 5 of the recently held UAAP Junior Season 85 for the USD Tiger Cubs. As VJ Rojas from way downtown. That is short for VJ Rojas. Put back for John Martinez. He wasn't still able to get it on basket. 21-7. 14-point lead advantage para sa panig ng I Love San Simon. The biggest lead of the ball game, as we can take a look here. This dominant one-hand shot floater for Andre Dungo. Proving everyone that is watching here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center and at our Facebook page kung bakit siya isa sa mythical 5 ng ating UAAP Junior Season 85. So ito, Salihan to Dimla. Dimla, balik dito ang bola. It's short, pero nandito. Itong San Simon para sa putback. Still, on the offensive side ang bola. And that basket is good for Ace Salihan. 6 points for Acer Salihan on this ball game. As VJ Rojas, Martinez, kay Laquindano, balik kay Rojas ang bola, balik kay Estalilia. What will Kid Estalilia do? Estalilia, almost a miss pass. John Martinez wasn't able to keep it on his hands. VJ Rojas to Paula Quindanum. Estalilia for 3. That is short for Kid Estalilia. Balik sa San Simon ang bola with 15 seconds remaining. No shot clock. Parley Dimla, Acer Salihan rather. 9 points for Acer Salihan for this ball game after the 3-point shot from way downtown with no hesitation. And here, John Martinez wasn't able to keep that on basket. A good defense for the side of I Love San Simon, 26-7. Napako na ang Angeles City Red Warriors sa 7 nilang score after that timeout nung 4 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. As we can see here, John Martinez not happy with how he is performing. At the end of the first quarter, 26-7, 19-point lead advantage para sa panig ng I Love San Simon, the biggest lead of the ballgame.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we are here, let's take a look at the team standings. Of course, itong Angeles City Red Warriors and the top seed with 8 wins and 1 loss. At itong I Love San Simon with 4 wins and 5 losses. So kapag nanalo sila dito, magtatay sila dito ng 1 bagalang basketball at ng Bayong Porac. As a 3-point shot for Edward Timbol, still no good. 26-7, 9-point lead advantage. 19-point lead advantage for I Love San Simon as Acer Salihan. It's almost in and out, but it's a good basket for Acer Salihan. 12 points for Acer Salihan as we approach our second quarter. Good D for I Love San Simon. Humugot na sa bench itong I Love San Simon. No Andre Dungo. No Steven Angeles. No Parley Dimla. No Pampanga Delta players for this ball game sa I Love San Simon. This is a perfect opportunity for Angeles City Red Warriors to make a basket. Edward Timbal rather for 3. It's still no good, pero nakuha to dito ng Angeles City. VJ Rojas, what will he do? He passes to John Martinez. Good time for Rojas to Martinez, but it's a sorry miss for John Martinez. Malonzo, no good. It's short this time for I Love San Simon. As a substitution on the floor, Sam De Jesus will check in para kay Lay Lagman. Unusual faces for I Love San Simon, but still 31-7, 2-0 run, 2-0 run for I Love San Simon. This is the perfect chance para sa panig ng Angeles City to score. That move is good for VJ Rojas. Let's take a look back at the replay. VJ Rojas escaping that 3 defenders, the 3 men up top para sa panig ng I Love San Simon, making this 2 out of 2 run. 2-2 run rather, but still 31-9. With 8 minutes and 22 seconds, Malonzo, binigyan niya dito yung bola. Salihan. Balik kay Salihan ang bola. Balik dito kay Malonzo. Oh, nice dime. Balik dito ang bola. Sa I Love San Simon, still no good. The ball stays at the offensive side, and they were able to put it in the basket at that easy care of Patrick Ponzalan. As we take a look, it goes off to the right, and then nakuha to ni Patrick Ponzalan. Easy basket for Patrick Ponzalan. 33-9. As Azar Salihan checks out, pero pumasok itong si Jolo Pascual for I Love San Simon. Si Patrick Ponzalan ang natira dito para sa starters ng I Love San Simon. No John Santos, no Andre Dungo, no Parley Dimla, no Steven Angeles. This is a chance for Angeles City Red Warriors to keep up. VJ Rojas. John Martinez. Martinez! Nice move by John Martinez underneath the basket, making it a dominant play for him. A dominant basket for John Martinez. 34-11. I Love San Simon, what will they do here? Bumawi! Itong I Love San Simon. Itong si Patrick Ponzalan ng ganong move din. Pinakitaan siya ni John Martinez. Sabi niya, sige, ako din. 36-11 with 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining as we take a look here. This beautiful move from Patrick Ponzalan. Kagayang-kagaya ng ginawa ni John Martinez before that possession. As timeout on the floor, 36-11.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
SLA will go to Visayas for the SLA Born 2004 and Born 2007, a 17 and 19 under division. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasasports@gmail.com or contact Mr. Paul Hoven, our Deputy Commissioner for Sinag Liga Asia Visayas, 0917-855-5565. Mga kabalen, mga kasinag, papunta na po ang Sinag Liga Asia sa Visayas this April 2024. 7 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for our second quarter. 36-11. Ball stays at the offensive side. Malonzo. What will Malonzo do here? He can go here for a quick 2. But pwede naman silang mag-dress dito. Let's see what will they do here. They were able to put it again on their side. 3-point shot. It's short. Kuha dito ni Paul Agman ang bola. Jacob Valoria checks in. Valoria to Martinez. Martinez to Valoria. Balik dito kay Paul Agman. Pero hindi nakuha doon ni Paul Agman. But a steal for Edward Timbol. Edward Timbol for 3. It's good for Edward Timbol. Swished it through the net. 36-14. After that timeout, a 3-point shot from Edward Timbol came through. As we take a look at the replay, Edward Timbol from the 3-point line, no hesitation. Swishes through the net, makes this ball game 36-14 with 6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. 36-14.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As 6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Malonzo still working here with Pascual. I love San Simon. Still no Andre Dungo, still no Parley Dimla, no Steven Angeles, no Ace Sarzalihan. It's time for their bench players to step up. And it's also time for Angeles City Red Warriors to keep up on the 22-point lead advantage. Speaking of keep up, John Martinez was able to put that basket and able to keep up sa 22 kalamangan netong I Love San Simon. So take a look at this replay. John Martinez against 2. Makes it a basket for John Martinez at nakakuha pa ng foul dito itong si Martinez. At eto na, Andre Dungo checks back again together with Parley Dimla, Ace Sarzalihan. They're now back for I Love San Simon after that straight points from Angeles City Red Warriors. Andre Dungo ang nagbababa dito ng bola. Dungo balik kay Pascual. Pascual pasa dito kay Punzalan. Punzalan for 3. In and out. A rebound for Martinez. Valoria. Valoria to Timbol. Timbol for 3. And it's good for Edward Timbol. Balik kay Andre Dungo ang bola. 36-19. Oh, Dungo. And a traveling violation called on Patrick Punzalan. Ito na, bumabalik na ang mga starters ni Coach Danny Torres. Azar Salihan checks in. They're still working here with Andre Dungo, Parley Dimla, Patrick Punzalan, and Jolo Pascual. But Patrick Punzalan checks out. Pumasok itong si Kalel Pulusan. Valoria to De Guzman. De Guzman to Lagman. De Guzman to Valoria again. Jacob Valoria to De Guzman. John De Guzman for 3. No, sir. Balik pa din dito ang possession sa Angeles City with Paul Lagman. Oh, good block. Good rejection for I Love San Simon. 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. Pascual. As a double dribble violation for the side of I Love San Simon. Sideline inbound for Angeles City Red Warriors. Jacob Balor, Edward Timbol rather for 3. It's short. (36-19) with 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. As Andre Dungo. Let's see what will Dungo do here. Binalik niya dito yung bola kay Pulusan. No good for Steven Angeles. Steven checks in for this ball game. Jacob Valoria. Balik kay De Guzman ang bola. Balik kay Valoria. Valoria trying for help. Sam De Jesus for 3. It goes through the board. Angeles Angeles with 3-man up top. And a holding foul called on Jacob Baloria. 4 minutes remaining for our first half, 36-19. 17-point lead advantage from the 22-point lead advantage. The biggest lead of the ball game. Bumaba ito sa 17. Steven Angeles sent onto the free throw line. As Paula Quindanum checks in for Paul Lagman. This is not the usual place na pinapakita ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Or let's just must say, nakakita talaga ang Angeles City Red Warriors ng katapat nila. But then, Angeles City Red Warriors still stays dominant as they were on the top seed of the bracket with 8 wins and 1 loss, hoping to get this on their 9th lucky win and 1 loss slate, ending the elimination round. Ito. Jumper, no good. Ball stays on the offensive side. Lacandano, what will Pau do? Oh, nice pass to Sam De Jesus. And that jumper is good for Sam De Jesus. 37-21. Nakakapana ng Angeles City Red Warriors ang laro nila. There are multiple times, I think this is the 3rd time that I was covering for Angeles City Red Warriors, na ganito yung nagiging laro nila. Una, matatambakan sila, and then itong 2nd to 3rd quarter, makakahabol sila as that 3-point shot from Andre Dungo is the 2nd 3-point shot of the ball game. Jacob Baloria. Baloria on that one-hand shot. It's out. Oh. Nice putback for Sam De Jesus after it goes right. Nakaabang doon si Sam De Jesus. Was able to get a free throw para doon sa ginawa niyang katapangan na yun on that basketball. As timeout on the floor with 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining, 40-23.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we are very thrilled to invite everyone on the upcoming PBA Legends and Sinag Lakas 40 Basketball Exhibition Game happening on March 10, 2024 at the Paintbrush High School, Burtonsville, Maryland. Maglalaro po ng mga former Pure Foods player Alvin Patrimonio together with John Ferriols, EJ Fal, our President and CEO, Boss Ray Ala will also be playing there together with, of course, our Commissioner for our Sinag Liga Asa Lakas 40 Commissioner Rodney Santos. March 10 po, mga kabalen at mga kasinag. Steven Angeles, yes sir, sabi niya doon on that 3-point shot. 43-23. Balik sa 20 ang kalamangan ng I Love San Simon. Timbol. Lacandano against 2. Lacandano, pinilik niya dito kay John De Guzman. John De Guzman, sorry, miss, goes off the right. Ball stays on the offensive side. Estalilia still scoreless on this ball game. Pass to De Guzman. Angeles nakuha dito ng San Simon ang bola. Oh, ang ganda nun ng depensa doon ni John De Guzman. As Jacob Baloria, Kid Estalilia, what will he do? Oh, nice pass to Paula Quindanum to Kid Estalilia again, and that jumper is good for Kid Estalilia. One-hand shot for Kid Estalilia. His first field goal of the ball game. It's 43-25, 18-point advantage. There was a whistle. As a pushing foul called against Jacob Baloria. Andre Dungo. What will Andre do? There's a whistle for Paula Quindanum guarding Andre Dungo. we mostly see Andre Dungo on the three-point line, beyond the three-point line, making his shot there. But if you needed, at kapag alam niyang kaya niya, talagang ida-drive at ida-drive ni Andre yung bolang yan. Walang takot yung batang yan. As 1 out of 2 for Andre Dungo. 44-25 with 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining. Valoria to Sam De Jesus. Bapasa niya dapat yung kay Estalilia pero nakaabang dito si Andre Dungo. Andre, what will Andre do? Andre drives, Andre scores. That's why that is the reason kung bakit nga, as I already mentioned, Andre Dungo is one of the mythical 5 for our UAAP Junior Season 85. Steven Angeles, almost an alley-oop pass. They were able to put it on their hands. As itong si Kalel Pulusan was able to put it back. Ang point para sa kanila. As Paula Quindanum, a traveling violation by referee Dennis Escaro. So we can see here, Coach John Ocampo of Angeles City Red Warriors as Joe Marinacu checks in. Sam De Jesus and Jacob Baloria checks out for this ball game. Steven Angeles. Steven for 3. No, sir. Ball goes on the defensive side. Angeles City Red Warriors. Naku. Naku, almost a 3-point shot. Kid Estalilia. Kid passes to... That is short. Para dito kay Malik Du. Malik checks in for Jacob Baloria after that second personal foul of Jacob Baloria. As you can see here, Joe Marinacu. 48-25 with 15.1 seconds remaining. No shot clock. $15.1 on our game clock. Dungo checks out. Humugot na ulit sa bench itong si Coach Danny Torres. Free throw for Kalel Pulusan. Angat sa 23 ang kalamangan ng I Love San Simon, the biggest lead of the ball game. 50-23 after that shot. 27-point lead advantage. 25 rather. San Simon with 50 points. With Angeles City Red Warriors with 25. Kalahati ang kalamangan dito ng I Love San Simon. But there is a whistle for that 8.3 seconds remaining. Again, if I Love San Simon wins this ball game, they will go up on the standing and they will be tied at the 5 wins and 5 losses with 1 Magalang and Bayong Porac at the end of our eliminations. As Du, balik dito ang bola. No good. Rebound for I Love San Simon. No time. No time left for I Love San Simon.